In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to click on Privacy section. And finally hit Permission Manager to select any of your device's features you wish to manage, like camera. Now it's time to select an app under one of those categories: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Now click on one of those options. In my case, camera access for this app, allowed only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Booking.com just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature just to look for an app you wish to manage. When you find it, click on it, scroll all the way down to access the All Permissions section here, and operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!